Okay, let's talk briefly about moving our points once we have them in our scene. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to grab the linear tool. I'll go into my front viewport. I'll just lay down some points here. And we'll leave it at that. I'll middle mouse button click to get out of there. Get back into my perspective view. So now we have this spline laid out. And again, I did not close it, so I'm going to come over here and click Close Spline. Then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to look at my Live Selection tool. So we can use any of our selection tools here to select our points and manipulate them. So with the Live Selection tool, I can select one, or I can just drag over it to select multiples. Now I can move these around. I could rotate them. Scaling will work as well. I can come over with the rectangular selection tool and make a rectangular selection. The lasso selection tool, you could lasso select around a selection of points. Get these, move them back. And I also have the polygonal lasso tool, which works very similar to the polygonal lasso tool in Photoshop. So that's another way that I can select. I'm going to go back over to my Live Selection tool. I want to show you one thing. If you select a point like this, I can right-click, and right here at the bottom, there's a command called chamfer. We click on chamfer, and then we just drag in our viewport. We split our point into two. So that can be very handy. Okay, so working with points is pretty straightforward here in Cinema 4D. Just select the points with whatever tool that you want to use, and then use the transform tools on them like you would any other object.